WhimsicalFluidArtistMeshka. Thank you for joining me. I'm doing another waterfall pour for a background that I plan to embellish. I'm painting this 12 by 16 inch canvas that's already been prepped with 2 extra coats of gesso, a quick spritz of distilled water on the back of the canvas to help tighten it up, and I painted the edges for extra coverage, and I taped up the back with acid-free tape, and I inserted a piece of cardboard in the back to help support the canvas and to keep it clean. I also have jumbo push pins in the back that I use to help level the canvas and to keep it elevated, which makes it easier to remove the drips that can distort your painting. And my paint is mixed with my homemade pouring medium from scratch. The consistency leaves a mound on a mound that quickly disappears. And I'm just using leftover paint from my last pours, and the colors will be listed in the description below. My base coat is just scooped up paint from a previous pour, and it's the same consistency. Let's start layering this cup. I'll need approximately 8.5 ounces of paint for this. And since I'm going to be pouring from this spout, I'm going to layer it down the side. use up the rest of that. Okay, now for the base coat. I'll probably speed this part up a bit. Now I'm just gonna torch some of these air bubbles. Try and pop as many of them as I can. Got something here. Now to prop the canvas up. Let me see if I can move this out of the way without spilling it. A little spot here. Couldn't really get to my cup of paint, was in the way. There we go. Cover that back up with my wet paper towel. Let me just clean my hands a bit. Okay. Let's see what we get this time. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it at that. Let me just get these dirty gloves off so we don't end up dripping in the painting. You know, I think I'm gonna try and bring it this way a little bit more. Oh, that looks really nice. I think I might have to change my plans on how I'm going to embellish this. I'm seeing a really nice seascape here. Yeah, I really like that. I might even just leave it. That looks gorgeous. I'll bring you in for a close-up. This is immediately after the pour. A bunch of cells from the Casein paint popped up as it developed. This is about 5 minutes after I poured this. I love it. Here's the dry results. See you next time.